Maybe you just need to go back to the ocean.
That was like 6 hours ago. That was pretty fun. Another 6 hours until we get to Hawaii. How much was a little pizza?
17.
That's too much. That's too much. Me thinks that's too much. My logic goes out the window when I'm traveling though. Monopoly money. Money isn't real. As I say, as I'm not paying for anything.
This morning I woke up beautiful again and craving attention, so I decided to make some bitches mad from scratch. I started by going...
Good morning. Today is day 1 in the Big Island. Anyway, one thing about me, I don't miss my meals, so let's get dressed so we can get some caffeine and some food. So we're gonna get some coffee and then we're going to hit the beach. I don't know about y'all, but if I don't have breakfast in the morning, my whole day is ruined. My whole day is ruined. I have to consume caffeine. I have been on a matcha craze since I got back from Europe. Yeah, I went to Europe for a month in the summer. The video is coming. It is coming. Please. Please, I know it's so late. I know I'm doing my Hawaii one first before I do my Europe one, but it's just so much footage. I was there for a month. Back to Hawaii. I'm here with my boyfriend's family for the first time. It's very relaxing. It's very peaceful here. I feel like I'm like reverse jet lagged. I don't know if that's a thing or if it's just considered jet lagged. Well, I had trouble waking up. I kept waking up every hour and it was horrible because I just wanted to sleep. We're here and we're grateful and life is great. I like to get my hair wet. I like to swim. First of all, everything is gorgeous here. Beautiful. Chef's kiss. I'm just really excited to explore. I swim with manta rays. We're going to maybe hopefully see the volcanoes. Lots of food. We gotta eat lots of food. A selfie of this. This is a cute like picture. Fast forward cute montage. We're gonna put a little bit of lip gloss on and we're gonna head out. So dance. 2% battery. We are on the pursuit of nourishment, the lands of the Jurassic Park. The Jurassic era. This trail that I'm walking on to get my iced coffee, a velociraptor could have walked on. Walkity walk, walkity walk. If we film this long enough, this could be one of those walking trails on YouTube that people just walk forever and then they watch and, you know, walking trail corner. Shit is expensive around here. That's yummy. That side over there looks really pretty with the rocks. Don't let them fool you.
somebody pee in the sand.
I almost thought there was pee in the sand. Welcome back. They are. They're probably really old trees. The ocean is melting with the sky. Wow, look at this valley.
Hey, yo, edges. Them are gonna take the piss. One step out to that turn up in a dish. Body comfortable and me physically fit. I'm a brown and sweet just like the chocolate.
So what we do is we put this passion fruit on top of it,
On the sugar
which is
cane.
already, yeah, like making it so sweet and sour. And then we put a little lime.
Them ones sound like me. They done a pussy pretty with the acrobatic. Son in the city with me back like pussy. Every man want piece of me. The back of them a pop and them a bun weed. Man want wine behind me. Me have to move kind dusty. I'm looking for a brother who got all the pounds. 7-9 baby. I'm a hammer.
If you guys want to run over there and grab one guava off the tree.
That one, but it's so high. Wow. The wider ones. Oh my god, be careful. Do you see it? Yeah. Oh, yes.
Nice. You should have filmed her doing
I know.
Thank golly, this is in my blood.
You can drive it.
Look at this. Wow. Okay. Okay. Wow. Oh. We made it.
Closer.
This incline. I don't like it.
Yeah, that's what I'm
We
doing.
should get 12. Who said that?
Should we get to?
Today we are at the world famous Malasadas. I hope I pronounced that right. Please don't come for me if I didn't. Food truck. We're on the way to the beach, but we need some fuel, so you know what I'm saying. We got some Malasadas. And it's world famous. I mean, this was on the Food Network, HGTV, and now on my channel. Let's try it out. On a little? Yeah. Oh, just for dinner. Excited to be cute.
Santi, move. Ruining the shot.
Aloha? Okay, and then here. This is more my speed.
Look, the camera's clicking. Santi, get out the shot. Yeah. My dad is just standing there.
Your parents are looking through the pictures. They're really just us. They're really just us. It's funny.
What are you guys doing? ¿Qué haces, pa?
I like when it stands still. It was like soft.
Yeah. I don't know.
My first question is, can you eat it?
You see behind me is the remnants of an ancient volcano. We are stepping on thousands and thousands of years of erosion caused by the ocean on the solidified magma of Mount Kilauea's lava. Just like this island was formed millions of years ago. As you can see, it's caused way for an abundant ecosystem of sea creatures and the like. You can see the terrain has its own terraform to allow for people to walk through.
That turtle is that rock.
Baby. Sam. Yeah.
Just came back from an exhibition in the ocean. Oh, the sunset! We're gonna make the sunset! Okay. At this current moment, we are chasing the sunsets of the Pacific Ocean. As you can see now, with the swivel of the camera. With the swivel of the camera.
I thought you were gonna finish more.
Let her cook. All this sauce, I'm trying shit. Let me cook. Big Glow come through, shut shit down. I'm bringing hoes out. Run up on this shit.
Slade. Look at it, us being blessed with free food. Yeah, they don't.
Ella no come bacon.
Yummy! Looks yummy. We should make these. Here, chicken.
Gotta try a little bit of your coffee.
Are we allowed to have chickens in Kennesaw?
Yes, but
We
I
are?
just have chicken.
Can we have chickens? Oh, they look pretty.
Beautiful.
There's no place I'd rather be. Lingering in the ocean blue. I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. Flying high on the Hawaiian
What's up, little guy? Santi, get in front of her. Get out the way. Get in front of her. Get in front of her. Or behind me. There. Go, go, go.
All my time, have crossed the horizon to find you. I know your name. They have stolen the heart from inside you. But this does not define you. This is not who you are. You know who you are.
Just keep doing what you're doing. Don't